It's Thursday, 2nd of July, and I just finished rebuilding the walkway over the dam. The previous one was very dangerous, and the wood was cracked and slipping. I also made a little ramp to walk up to. Makes it a little bit easier to step up, and it's very strong. 3 2x6s and a 2x4 with reinforcements underneath and a handrail, and it gives a really nice view across the pond. And maybe getting closer to winter, I'm going to build a handrail from the end of this one here out to that tree and allow people to walk up the side here. Like all things, it took longer than I thought. I expected this to take about 4 hours yesterday, and now it's about 11 o'clock today, and I've just finished. So I'm just going to walk down and give you another little view of it. This is obviously all water in the winter time, but you got a couple of 2x8s as beams holding up and reinforcing the underside, along with a few other reinforcing moments. And then a little later on, I'm going to put some new gates. There'll be 2x6s or 2x8s in there to control the flow of water. So this project took about twice as long as I expected, but that's quite all right. Turned out nice, and now the ladies will not be so concerned about crossing the water and going up to the other part of the property. So that's it for the 2nd of July, 2020. Next project is to put on some gutters by the front door.